Hellcat.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am the real King B, #1, back here with another YouTube video. What's up, buddy? So here, I'm just here to show you how to make a cobblestone generator. Now, the most important thing about this is that in order to be able to make one, you need to like this video. You need to smash that like button, obliterate it. You need to go down, make that red subscribe button gray, because if it's gray, it means you're Gucci, because G stands for Gucci, baby. And then you should just go right after subscribing. You should just click that notification bell so that you can stay notified on my future videos, my future instructional videos, and my future dope videos. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a cobblestone. Let me just grab my water and water real quick. You can build it into the ground. You can even make a little nice thing. I'll just make a little nice thing to just show you how the thing. A little nice thing. That's definitely it. So I'm just gonna make a little nice, a little surrounding. Anyway, so what you're gonna wanna do? You're gonna go right here. You're gonna break one block below. It's very important. You place the water here, and then it will go down. You place the lava here. You've got yourself a cobblestone generator right there, bud. Nothing like it will just keep on regenerating cobble. Let me just show you. Look. Try not. Yeah, this might be helpful to, as I don't know, skyblock players, but yeah, you got there you go. It's that simple stone generator, and as you can see, it will always regenerate. Always regeneration. Whoa. But sometimes you just need to be careful, get used to it. It will always regenerate. Always. Never stop. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Remember, you need to like, you need to subscribe, and press that notification bell to join the notification gang. Now I'm gonna go out with a big bang. Yeah. That seems oddly familiar. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. And peace out, peeps!
Like a Hellcat.